Charlie Nardozzi, Garden Ambassador for the VELCRO brand garden ties. Most of us are spending more time at home, and the garden can be a great form of exercise. While the gym and the yoga studio may be closed, the garden is always open. Just by taking 30 minutes a day to do some digging, raking, moving compost, and other garden tasks, you can burn hundreds of calories and get a good workout.
Having plants around the home helps reduce the sense of stress and anxiety and increase our sense of well-being. They also soothe the senses. Growing plants like this scented geranium with its fragrant lemony leaves, or this rosemary, which is great in cooking, are great ways to have plants that'll be beautiful inside and outside. All you need to do is grow them in the summer in pots outdoors, and then bring them in the winter to enjoy year-round.
Spending more time at home gives you the opportunity to check off some of those garden chores on your list. One of them might be cleaning and organizing the garage, shed, or basement. By cleaning tools, doing a garden inventory of supplies that you have, wrapping tomato stakes with VELCRO brand garden ties, and moving carts and mowers around, you'll be able to place things where you want them so you'll know where they are when you need them. On a nice spring day, take the opportunity to have lunch with yourself outside. Leave the cell phone and laptop inside, take a break from work and from childcare, and enjoy the sunshine, warm breeze in the garden. You'll feel better and you'll be more productive once you've had lunch in nature.
While working at your desk, position it so that you can look out a window and maybe even crack it open once in a while for some fresh air. It's not really a distraction. It's a way to take a break, take a look outside to see what's happening, and when you come back to your project, you'll have a fresh perspective.
If your kids are home because the schools are closed, take this opportunity to get them involved in the garden. Keep it simple and keep it fun. Go through seed packets and sort them out. Decide what your favorite flowers and vegetables are, and do a nature adventure, gathering sticks and branches to make bean teepees and pea trellises. If you can keep it fun now, the kids will be more likely to stay engaged all summer long.